All right, so we're doing a little demo here of what you guys are working on to wrap up your workouts this month. We're doing a little 6x6 cluster set. So Peter's getting going here on a kind of slight incline press. Our cluster set is going to be 6 rounds of 6 reps with the weight you think you could do for 12. Okay, so that's what Peter grabbed here. We'll see how accurate his guess was. We got a clock up here. He's watching his seconds, making sure he stays on track. All right. So why do these cluster sets? Essentially, a cluster set is a way to get many more reps than you otherwise would with that weight by taking small mini breaks within a set, but in a more time-efficient manner than if you did complete rests and recoveries. So again, if he can complete this, he's going to get 36 reps in with a weight that he normally could only do for 12, but it'll still take him just about 3 minutes. Okay, so again, just maintaining your posture, maintaining good technique as you go, of course. He's through 3 rounds. It's going to start to get harder. We'll kind of see how accurate the guess was. You could program these in different ways. You could program them with much fewer reps for more of like a peak strength focus, doing like 2 reps, 1 rep with like a weight you can only do for 3. We're using this as a finisher, to make sure you have a lot of volume still in your workout to send that signal to build muscle mass alongside your big kind of peak patterns of the month. He's through 4 rounds. Again, still got his eye on the clock, hanging in there. So apologies if the camera's shaky. I just did this myself. Our arm's not feeling too steady anymore. Hang in there, Peter. Full range of motion, doing his best. Getting a little tougher. It looks like he picked a pretty good weight. We'll only get 1 shot at this. I don't think he's going to want to do this again after, so yeah. Last one, rock on back. Good, keep that full range of motion. Boom. 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 Oh, and just an extra slow lower to end, just having some fun. So the perfect weight selection there by Peter. That was definitely a hard set. He'd probably try to go up just a little bit next week because he completed all 36 and nailed it for the demo. Boom.